Hi, Dan Carlin here, founder and CEO of Invigorated Water. This product right here is our pH Recharge glass countertop water filter. And as the name suggests, perfect for the countertop, also really good for the home office, you know, something on your desk. And it's made from glass, wood, and steel. So no more plastic with this product. People just love it. It comes with our pH 001 filter, which is a really great filter, which is why we have it in so many products. The capacity of this filter is about 96 gallons, which is about 360 liters or about 1,500 cups of water. So really great value. It's also super powerful. So it removes chlorine, fluoride, heavy metals, dust, sand, silt, all of that stuff, at the same time of really increasing that pH level of your water, delivering you really high alkaline water, which tastes amazing, smells amazing, and you just know you're getting clean, healthy water. So there you have it. That's our pH Recharge glass countertop water filter.